and in the end, this is how your work is going to look. Hello and welcome to the new video. Today we are going to learn another beautiful geometrical mandala. We'll start with finding the center of the sheet first. For that, divide your sheet into 4 equal parts. Then on the center, place your protractor and mark 15 degrees. Each 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, just like that on all the 4 sides, 15 degrees difference. Then join the opposite points together to get the reference grid. We'll measure 5 centimeters on our compass and draw a 5 centimeter circle first. For the next step, we'll mark alternative points on the 5 centimeter circles, and with the same 5 centimeter measurement, we'll add arcs. So leave one line, next arc, leaving a line, next arc, leaving a line, next arc. So do this alternatively, okay? I'm just darkening it up with the ink now. We'll finish up all of the sides. For the next step, we'll draw a 4 centimeter circle. Once again, mark the points and draw the arc. Draw the arc on all the sides. Then we'll also add inner lining and finish off the remaining portion on the other side of the petal. Do the inner lining for whole of the petals. Then for this inner petal, I'll just go ahead and do a freehand arc to complete the petal. For the inner lining of the smaller petal, we'll do it manually and just directly fill it up completely just to highlight this portion. Then I'll add a spiral over the small petal, finish it off. Then draw inner lining to this, fill it up with lines. You're going to do this on all the petals. Then on the top, just darken up the 4 centimeter circle, add another outer lining to it. Also the 6 centimeter and inner lining, and just fill up the space with few lines. For the top, we'll add a curve like this, fill it up with circles, and on the sides, we'll fill it up with lines which are ending on the same point on the top. For the next step, we'll add the center petal on the top and finish it off with petal moving downwards, both the sides. So this step is optional. If you want, you can add. With this, we complete our today's mandala. I hope you liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.